Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, park level, set the parking brake, and switch the ignition to position 1, accessory power. Why? The car powers electronics without running the engine, which lets you access reset menus safely. Next, locate the trip/reset button on the dash or steering stalk. Press and hold it. Keep holding while you proceed. This registers your input. Once the display begins to respond, you're ready for the next step to enter the oil service or service interval menu. Once the service menu appears, you need to navigate carefully. Use short presses to scroll through options until you see service or oil. The display wording varies by year. Why this matters? Choosing the correct menu resets the oil life calculation rather than unrelated reminders. When you highlight Reset or Confirm, press and hold for a few seconds. The system will count down or show a progress bar. Make sure the ignition stays at position 1 during the whole operation. Finish by turning the ignition off, then back to position 2, full accessory, to let the cluster update. You should see service in with a new interval or oil life showing 100%. This confirms the reset. If the indicator persists, repeat the menu steps once. If it still fails, inspect the oil level sensor and fuses, then try disconnecting the battery for 10 minutes as a last resort. Troubleshooting tip. If reset fails repeatedly, a faulty sensor or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.